If you could design your own wide format flatbed printer, what would you want?
I'd want a larger bed size so I could print more.
I'd want the ability to handle jobs on thicker media.
I'd make sure I could do double-sided printing all day long.
It's got to print beautifully and fast.
If I could start from scratch, I'd want every inch of it to have the latest technology.
Introducing the flatbed printer you always wanted, the EFI Pro 30F. It's got everything you asked for and more. For Phil, we delivered a larger bed size to print up to 5 by 10 foot or 2 by 3 meter boards along the wide axis of the printer for maximum productivity. For Jenny, we designed the Pro 30F to print on thick materials. Increasing her variety of substrates and jig work. For Bob, we made precise double-sided printing fast and easy, with registration pins on both sides of the table and an intuitive graphical user interface. For Lisa, we built in 2 channels per color plus 4 white printheads. Ultra drop technology for better color gradients and smoothing, precise dot placement for sharper lines and text, and best-in-class white ink that allows her to print on clear, colored and specialty media, backlit double-sided applications, spot and flood white, and more. For Terry, we packed the Pro 30F with the latest technology, from a new magnetic linear drive motor and optical encoder, to EFI's power-saving LED curing, to a 6-zone vacuum table with adjustable pressure, and even a reverse table vacuum to float heavy media for easy media placement. For everyone, we added the fiery ProServer Core digital front end, a new intuitive graphical user interface, and a choice of EFI Pro Graphics UV Rigid or Ultra inks to match your business needs. So as you can see, we didn't leave anything out of the new EFI Pro 30F flatbed printer.
I get high productivity and image quality at a competitive price.
I get more application possibilities.
I get greater precision and reliability.
I get all the features I need to make my business more competitive.
I get a great investment for better profitability and quicker ROI. The EFI Pro 30F.
It's
the flatbed printer we always wanted.